Wim Oosterlink.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh my God, very excited. I'm visiting Belgium for my third time, getting ready to do the TMFs and do a lot of promotion as well for my third single.
Yeah, your
In the
third
End.
single, In the End, which we
Yes.
play a lot.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay, very important. And first of all, Anke has to describe you for the listeners. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
I have to do it in English or in
No,
Dutch?
in Dutch, in Dutch, in
In
Dutch.
Dutch. Oké, ja, ze is helemaal in het grijs. But can you pose for me, please? Because,
Okay.
Oké, ze ziet er wel
Wacht,
super
Anke,
uit.
Vergeet de oren. Don't forget the earrings. Oké.
Ja, het zijn zilveren oorringetjes zoals ik ze zelf zou dragen. Namelijk ontzettend mega groot, waarvan je lellen echt gaan hangen. En dan heeft ze zo een schattig mutsje aan met een pomponnetje op.
Oh,
Yeah, you have a hat with a pompon on it.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Do you really say pom-pom in English?
Well, you
know.
could say a little poof ball, pom pom,
Yes.
whatever. You know, it's a little netted hat. I love wearing
But
little
you
hats.
look great
Thank
in the gray.
you.
Who's the man with the beard?
Oh, that's my security guard.
Oh,
it's a
security guard.
I mean, I'm
his
scared
name is Beast.
I think
beast.
I think he's scary.
Oh, but he's so nice. Yeah.
No, you have to say he's scary because he's your security guard.
I don't know. He's nice.
Do you get a lot of I don't know, male attention nowadays?
I guess I get a lot of attention for fans, not only males, but it's good attention. I haven't really experienced as much like bad things yet, but once, and it was here in Belgium actually, believe it or not.
Really?
What happened?
Last time I was here, I had just came from a show, and I went to my room, and it just so happened that night, out of all the nights, I told my crew, "Oh yeah, go ahead, go back to the club." So I stood in the hotel with my friend and my hairstylist. So I go to sleep, and all of a sudden I hear an immense knock on my door, like boom, 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 boom. So I'm like thinking, you know how you wake up from your sleep quick and you're thinking,
Yeah.
oh, they're bothering me. Let me go open the door. But something told me, look through the little like hole of the door. And oh my God, there I see a huge coat. I didn't see the person. I just saw half face and like blonde short hair, but it looked like a very strong woman. And then I'm thinking, who is that? And I knock, like, you know how you knock from inside the door?
Yeah.
And I knock. And she kept on, every time I knocked, she would do the same thing. And then she was like, huh? She'd try to open my door. I was really afraid. But and then I called the hotel downstairs. But then they said it was one of the people that were staying in the hotel that probably got lost. But that was very, very scary.
Very scary. It wasn't a dream, a nightmare, right?
No.
No. Oh, no. Oh. And in Belgium, we're very
But
sorry.
I love Belgium. No, besides that, all my fans are great. Everybody around me always has amazing aura, and I'm very nice. I never tell a fan no. You know, I think I'm here because of them.
Okay, so you never say no.
No, not to take a photo or to.
To other things.
Hey.
Okay, we noted that down. Okay, Kaduna, thank you very much for dropping by,
Oh,
and
thank
have
you.
have a nice day. Bye-bye.
And don't forget to watch the TMFs.
Wim Oosterlink.